Fred Williams, Excel primes, find word found in a sentence of words. Here we're going to mess around with text. We have this sentence. If we have a match, show the first word. So for example, if we have Way and Tom in the same sentence and Way is the first word, then Way will show up first. For example, if I pay Way Tom, put a space here, we're going to see Way first. That's just the way this thing's going to play out. Here are our words. Here's our name range, words 276, which is E5, E9. We're going to use index match. We're going to use this is number and search, and we've done this over and over and over and over. Because we're dealing with text, and we're dealing with text, and we're dealing with text, you just want to make sure your ducks are lined up, okay? We're just looking for word 276. What row number is it? We have to use true, 1, okay? So if we go in here, if we put 1 in here and 8, you're going to have to put the actual true in there. If you put 0 in here, you can see that it's rather sensitive. So match, lookup value, true. Then our lookup array, we've done this. Search, what are we looking for? We're looking for a position. If it's true, give us that number, all right? We want to make sure it's true, and we're going to convert that over. So F9, you're going to see true, 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 true. But if we go into search, we hit this find text within text. We're going to get find text, F9. We're going to say Way Tom's, we're going to look at the 5 words. Is it within our text, F9? It's going to get all of this. We are still Tom, whatever. Search is going to go F9. And it's going to go 14, 18, value, value, value. Remember, search is looking for the position. Count left to right. The 14th character will be the W. The 18th character will be Tom. From there, we have a true. If we go into this lookup value, that is number turns the 14 and 18 and the values into true and falses. Here we have true, true, false. We have the lookup value. We're looking for true. That's why we can't put 1 in there. Remember the unaries, what the function of unaries did? It turned the trues into 1s. Here, we're just going to stick with true because we're not dealing with unaries. And outcome will be F9, 1. Here's our row, 1. Index is just going to go Way. That's it. Over here, read it if you need it. I think I kind of covered it A to Z, but read it. I strongly recommend you read all the narratives. And in terms of the anatomy, you could also use index and then aggregate. Play around with that if you have the upgraded software. Older versions might not have the aggregate, so you're going to have to use this first approach. Otherwise, plug this in, manipulate it. You're going to see that we removed the small, replaced it with aggregate. A few more entries, but at the end, you're going to see it gets a little, I'm going to leave it up to you. Control-Shift-Enter for older versions of Excel. Fred Williams, Excel Prime.